What's going on, guys? Thank you very much for stopping back in. I've had a crazy last couple of weeks with work, but things are starting to calm down now finally, so I can get back to uploading regularly. Sorry I haven't been keeping up the pace lately, but we're getting back to it. I got a little comparison video for you today. We've gotten a lot of questions and I've seen a lot of comments regarding different diameter exhaust systems, the 2 1/4 compared to the 2.5. Some people say they would never get a 2 1/4 inch exhaust system because it sounds so high pitch or sounds raspy or whatever the case may be. I've had both setups and I've got video clips of both setups. So I thought today we'd compare the two so you can get a real understanding or a real idea of what both scenarios will sound like. So the clips that I have of the 2 1/4 inch system have the stock catalytic converters still in line, except for the clip of the dyno that you will see. That is straight through a couple small resonators. But comparing the two, the 2 1/4 inch system has a couple of small, very small, like 12 or 14 inch resonators in line, and the stock catalytic converters. The 2.5 inch setup has the Borla mid muffler and a couple large resonators in line, but it has test pipes. So, you know, different in various ways, but it'll still give you an idea. Just keep those few things in mind as you watch these clips. And if the video is enjoyable for you, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and I really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Appreciate the support, guys. Again, hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one. And of course, leave questions and comments in the comment section below, and let me know what you think about the two different setups as far as how they sound compared to one another. Interested to hear your input. All right, see ya.